3, 2, 1.
What is the flexible, plastic material used for covering textbooks called? The answer is B, book jacket. Which great movie ends with this line, "Victory is ours"? The answer is A, Duck Soup. Who set the record for longest fingernails on a pair of feet female? The answer is B, Xi Jinping. What does continental crust grade into at continental margins? The answer is A, oceanic crusts. Photosynthesis and respiration are both parts of which cycle? The answer is A, carbon cycle. 24 hours is equal to 1 what? The answer is B, day-night cycle. Which kitchen appliance has a motor that whips cream or beats eggs? The answer is C, stand mixer. What is used to store digital data in computers and other devices? The answer is A, hard disk. I'm a man who wrote 1984, yet I never lived in the year 1984. Who am I? The answer is A, George Orwell. Tree roots can grow into rock and break it apart. Water can freeze in the cracks of rock, causing it to break apart. How are these two processes alike? The answer is D, both are forms of weathering. What is the curved stick used in lacrosse called? The answer is D, lacrosse stick. What year was Sally's debut in the comic strip Peanuts? The answer is B, 1959. Who won the most Wimbledon titles in men's singles? The answer is B, Novak Djokovic. What is the term for the temperature at which a solid changes into a liquid? The answer is C, the melting point. What type of reproduction do fungi engage in? The answer is C, asexual. What is the capital of Indonesia? The answer is D, Jakarta. Which of the following is not a movement in art history? The answer is A, surrealism. Which of the 7 wonders of the ancient world was built on the banks of the Euphrates River in present-day Iraq? The answer is A, the Hanging Gardens. The Doris Day show first hit the U.S. airwaves in what year? The answer is A, 1968. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? The answer is A, vitamin A. What can you break without worry? The answer is D, ice. What is the name for a period of 4 minutes and 37 seconds? The answer is A, leap second. Which author wrote Dubliners? The answer is A, James Joyce. Which popular TV series is set in a post-apocalyptic world? The answer is D, The Mandalorian. The highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest, located in which country? The answer is A, Nepal. What is an example of a fixed cost in a business? The answer is B, rent. For which role on the Friends TV show did Courteney Cox originally audition? The answer is B, Rachel. Which planet rotates on its axis faster than it orbits the Sun? The answer is A, Venus. Where in the world would you most expect to be served chili crab? The answer is C, Singapore. Which animal has the shortest lifespan in captivity? The answer is C, hamster. What does HTML stand for in the context of web development? The answer is B, hypertext markup language. Who stole Apollo's cattle and was punished by being transformed into a cow?
The answer is C, Zeus.
Which energy source could involve a dam? The answer is D, hydroelectric power. Which conflict led to the partition of India and Pakistan in 1947? The answer is D, Indo-Pakistani partition. Dutch scientist Christian Huygens' principle of what states that every point on a wavefront is a source of wavelets that spread out in the forward direction at the speed of the wave itself. The answer is C, wave propagation. The sum of the pressures of the hydrogen and the water vapor is equal to what? The answer is C, atmospheric pressure. What happens to a substance in a liquid state when the temperature is low? The answer is A, it solidifies. What cannot be seen or touched but is surrounded by space? The answer is C, time. What might you find in the depths of the ocean? The answer is A. Mountainous ranges. Seals have an instinct to give birth in the same area every year. Where do seals give birth normally? The answer is C. Waterfronts. Who is associated with the address 221B Baker Street, London? The answer is B. Sherlock Holmes. What is the average lifespan of a lion living in the wild? The answer is C. 10-15 years. Meningitis, for example, is caused by a viral or bacterial infection of the tissues covering what? The answer is C. The brain. What is the word for a female kangaroo? The answer is A. A doe. Which spice is often associated with mulled wine? The answer is D. Cloves. Castles can be found in 3 of these countries. Which is the odd one? The answer is C. Brazil. During the filming of which Eddie Murphy movie was the stunt double of actress Angela Bassett, Sonia Davis, killed? The answer is C. Vampire in Brooklyn. Which set in the Cartesian plane consists of all points equidistant from 2 fixed points? The answer is D. Circle. In which part of the ear are the vibrations amplified by the malleus, incus, and stapes? The answer is C. Middle ear. Which would provide the greatest benefit to animals in an ecosystem?